Welcome! In front of me I have LENOVO Watch R1 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button or by tapping on the screen. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll down, look for the reset option, and once you find it, you can tap on it. And then you can tap on the checkmark to confirm to start the resetting process. One thing to mention though, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset, so I'm gonna tap on the checkmark to confirm, and let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the watch face again, that means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.